If you're wondering how to add testimonials to lead pages quickly and easily, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps to showcase customer feedback on your landing page in just a few minutes. Stay tuned till the end, as I'll also show you some alternatives that might be even better depending on your needs, plus an exclusive free trial that you won't find anywhere else. First off, when adding testimonials to lead pages, you have a few different options, so let's break down the simplest way to do it. If you're starting from scratch, you'll need to head to the LeadPages editor where your landing page is being built. Once you're in the editor, click on the Add Content button to bring up the content options. Scroll through the choices and select the Testimonial widget. Next thing, drag and drop this widget where you want your testimonials to appear on the page. You'll notice that it gives you a basic placeholder. You can click on the placeholder text and edit it directly. Here's the thing though, don't just copy and paste a generic testimonial. Authenticity is key when adding testimonials to lead pages, and you want them to feel as genuine as possible. Include customer names, locations, and even photos if you can, as that adds credibility. The fourth thing you'll want to do is customize the design to match your brand. LeadPages offers a range of design options that can help make your testimonials stand out. You can adjust the font, size, and background color to ensure the testimonial looks as professional and on brand as possible. A well-placed, visually appealing testimonial can increase trust, so this step is essential. Now, let's talk about the next step. What if you want to showcase multiple testimonials? LeadPages has a carousel feature that can display multiple reviews in a slide format. Simply add the Testimonial Carousel widget and, like before, drag and drop it to the section where you want to show off customer feedback. Add in the testimonials one by one. You can even add logos or videos, depending on the type of testimonial. The next thing I want to mention is editing your testimonials after you've added them. It's simple to go back into your LeadPages editor and make updates when you receive new reviews or when you want to rotate older ones out. LeadPages makes it super easy to make these adjustments without having to redo your entire page, so this is definitely a plus if you plan on continually refreshing your content. Now, here's something important. While LeadPages is great for creating beautiful landing pages and adding testimonials in the ways I've shown, it's worth considering some alternatives that might offer even more flexibility depending on your needs. I'm going to share those alternatives in just a moment, but first, let me tell you about the exclusive free trial you can access through our link, which will give you extended benefits. LeadPages might be a solid option for a lot of you, but if your goal is to find something that better suits a more specific need, there are other platforms you should consider. And not only will these alternatives often outperform LeadPages in certain areas, but they also have free trials available. Just be sure to check the link below to get the best offer exclusively for our viewers. So, to wrap things up, add testimonials to LeadPages by using the testimonial widget or carousel, customize them to match your brand, and update them easily as you collect new feedback. But don't forget to check out the alternative tools I recommend at the end of the video, which might just be a better fit for your business. Make sure to click the link in the description to claim your exclusive, extended free trial and get access to some of the best tools for creating high-converting landing pages. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to explore your options. There's something out there that will work perfectly for your goals.